What's going on, guys? New strategy trading right back at you with another live video. New update on crypto. Remember, I've been giving away a lot of free game on crypto. If you've seen my last video, you know my calls, you know my positions. I told everyone to buy the dip. Told everyone to buy the dip. Go back and look at my old video, all right? And we're going to proceed to see today if my um, analysis was accurate or not. All right, because what we're visualizing right now is a market recovery, a crypto recovery, and it's looking really good on the 4-hour chart, on the hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, and even on the daily chart. It's showing patterns. It's showing a reversal of trend. Right? In particular, Dogecoin has showed a reversal of trend by breaking a downward trend line, guys. We are tuning in live downtown Tulsa, Oklahoma. And we are in the skybox, ladies and gentlemen. Downtown Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's a beautiful view. All right? So let's go ahead and get into the charts real quick, guys. Y'all know it's all about the charts with New Strategy Trading. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, a like, and a share. We are streaming from Facebook and YouTube at the same time. And yes, good things are coming. Let's get into the charts, guys. All right, so all right, so let's go ahead and get into the chart. Right here we have the 4-hour chart of Dogecoin, right? And I'm gonna zoom out. But if you look at, this is the 4-hour chart, the intraday. This is the time frame that I like to use along with my daily. If I want to see something that my daily's not showing, I'll zoom down on the 4-hour chart. Okay. So here's what's key, guys. We know that Doge has been doing a correction. It's been going down. It found a bottom here at 20 on May 19th. It bottomed at 20 on a huge hammer candlestick. It came down and tested at 20, but didn't reach. Remember, I said on my last video that there's a possibility it could dip back down to 20. When it dipped back down, it did not reach 20. It reached 25. Okay. So I made another play at the end of this bar, which ended at 28. And I bought more because I got a hammer here confirming that support, and I got another hammer here with an a doji star. A doji star pattern with the hammer. So I bought back in on this bar with more Doge, and it has been trending upward ever since. Boom, you got a green candle after my entry, which is perfect. That's what you want. It's called a confirmational follow-through bar. You then got another doji, a pause, boom, another big green bar. 2 more pauses, boom, another big green bar. But the thing about this green bar is it broke above this downward trend line, this red line. It broke above it on high volume. Another pause bar, and now you see Doge continuing to go up. Looks like it's chasing the 50 and 200. If it breaks the 50 and 200, it should come up back to about 45, guys. It's already shown you a reversal. The reason it's showing you a reversal is because it broke this long trend line, this red line here. Okay, it broke that trend line, which is connecting the highs. And it broke it on huge volume with a big green candle. Boom! So that's telling me it's attempting a double bottom pattern and that it's already broken that downward trend line. Okay. My first buys on Doge was around 45 or something. Then my second buys, I bought in at 34, and I bought back in when it bottomed out again at 28. So this is picture perfect. This is exactly what you want to see. This is exactly what you want to see. All right. So even if we zoom onto the hourly chart, we see the same thing. A big, powerful uptrend. Boom, broke back above the 20. Dip. Boom, broke back above the 50. Another flat base. Boom. And this hourly bar is what stopped the downtrend officially. It broke above all the moving averages and then above the downward trend line. Pull back. Boom. And now it's popping back up. All right. So this is what we want to see, guys. This is perfect. Not only Doge, though, but also Litecoin. Litecoin. Look at Litecoin. Litecoin is booming all the way back. It's done a double bottom, a tweezers bottom, with a hammer here. Followed through with a green bar and gave green bars back to back. It's chasing that 50 back at 210. Litecoin is booming. Ethereum. Look at Ethereum. 27.35 just hit the 50-period moving average. Look at these series of big green bars. Same thing. Double bottom, hammer, boom, green bar confirmation, and you roll. I bought back in Ethereum at 2,000. It's now at 27.40. This was a crypto correction, not a crash. I repeat, this was a crypto correction and not a crash. And lastly, let's look at my very new crypto that I just found out about and just placed my first trade on today. Matic, okay? And I bought in at 170 and it's already at 185. And it's looking like it's going to break these old highs at 270 and hopefully chase that $3. All right. So this is what we're looking for right here, guys. The intraday charts are looking great. The 4 hour, the 1 hour are looking great. If this trend can continue, then we may be on to our final recovery. Dogecoin officially is recovered because it broke the trend line. Bitcoin is almost where it needs to be. It did give us a big green candle on the last 4 hour chart, but I like to see it get back up here above this 42, then at 44. Once it pops above 44, it's going back up to this 200 at 52,000. All right. So I just wanted to do this quick video, sharing this quick update, crypto recovery. All right. You may as well say Bitcoin is all the way almost back at 40,000. Okay, it hit it just a few hours ago. And everything else is looking magnificent. Magnificent. New strategy trade. I didn't want to hold you guys up too long. Just a quick update. These are officially the only cryptos that I am invested in. Bitcoin, of course, and Litecoin I've been in. Those are my first cryptos. And then, of course, Ethereum, and then Doge, and then lastly, my new crypto, which is Matic, which is actually outperforming the other cryptos. I mean, it gave us a huge, I wish I would have known about it and caught it down here on this hammer, on this double bottom at $1. Oh, wow. But it's okay. It's okay. Bought back in at 170, and it's got a resistance of 269, 270. So this is the potential. This is where I want this to go. I want it to double. I buy in at 170. I'll take 240 once it gets to 170, 170, excuse me, 340. 340, I double my profit. I'll pull 80% and I'll let the 20 ride. When it dips, I'll buy back in with that 80. Right? For further details, guys, send me an inbox if you guys are interested in learning how to set up accounts. I'm trading through Coinbase, Robinhood, and even, PayPal. I mean, I've got Bitcoin in about 3 different apps. I've been buying Bitcoin for a long time now. But yeah, guys, it's looking good. The recovery is here. I mean, look at the daily chart. Let's look at the daily chart on Doge. Let's blow Doge up. Look at Dogecoin here. Dogecoin is above. This is the daily. Came in double bottom here. Boom, boom, boom. Green confirmation counter. Next thing, look at it now. It is totally outside of this big downward red trend line. That means this downtrend is officially over. Because if it wasn't, it would have found resistance here and then fell back. Instead, it did the opposite and broke upwards. Right? Once it breaks back above this 60-50 line, actually, once it breaks back above this 59.60 level, it's going to break back out. And of course, the high is 75. Right? So, it's looking great. I told everyone to buy, 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 buy. Listen, if you was lucky enough to catch it at 20, you're already at double your money right now. Right? If you're lucky enough to catch it at 30, which the lowest I caught it was 34. I mean, you're already up. It's all about the charts, guys. It's all about the charts. New Strategy Trading, signing out.